Hello, I'm gonna show you how to plant seeds in eggshell. So these are the things you will need: eggshells, sautepan, and these are fast growing seeds. I use chia seeds. And then this is cotton, this is soil. First you have to draw face on eggshell so you can create as you like. After drawing, I will put cotton inside. And pour some water to make it wet. So you have to make it all wet. Now it's time to put seeds. You can use any fast growing seeds. I used chia seeds. If you put more seeds, you will get more plants. Now I will plant seeds in another eggshell. This time I will draw funny face. Now this time I won't use cotton, I will use soil instead of cotton. You have to put it full, and after that you have to pour some water. Now let's put seeds. I'll put them in this vase. Seeds need to get sunlight to grow, so you have to put them near the window, and don't forget to give a little water every day. After 3 days, you will see like this, the many small sprouts. So this is how to plant seeds in eggshell. So you can try at your home. Bye bye.